Hebu muinue mkono kidogo nione kama mko. Wengine hawako pale. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, it gives me great honor to be part of this exercise organized by the Teacher Service Commission in this country. Now, this exercise is going on at national level at Alliance High School today. We also have launch for various regions. Our launch for Nyanza region is at Kisumu Girls. Our launch for Nyamira County is at Nyambaria Boys National School. Is it national or national? It is Boys National. Nyambaria Mko. Thank you, Nyambaria Boys National School. And they have really participated. I don't thank the chief principal because when I asked him to organize this, he was really upbeat and he has done his best. You can see all these arrangements courtesy of Nyambaria Boys High School. So to the principal, the chairman, board, Dr. Nyakundi, Mr. Nyari, we are very grateful. Now, for this particular organization, all those who have participated in one or the other, we thank you. We know that Teacher Service Commission has moved in to ensure that we have food security in institutions. And as they move in, we have targets for the county. Basically, for our launch, we said our target is 1,000 seedlings. And I think we are going to meet that target. But for schools in Nyamira County, our target is 40,000 trees. We are aware that this is one of the big four agendas of our government. And as an agenda, the government was planning, or is planning, or it's ongoing to ensure that we plant 15 billion trees. So as teachers in various areas in this particular county, we want you to support us in ensuring that trees are planted for all secretariat staff and also for all teachers in Nyamira County. We have noted certain challenges that are there in planting of trees, that as we plant them, we should also look at sustainability. So let us ensure that whatever you plant, you also look at its sustainability. Plant your age, but look at the sustainability of the trees that you are planting. Now, for schools, I know head of institutions are supervising the planting in schools. We want to ensure that from 29th to 4th of October, each teacher has planted 4 trees and uploaded on the Jasa Meeting app or the Elimu Trees app. Let us ensure that after planting, we upload. That is the only way that it can be known that you planted all this number of trees. And just to advise head of institutions that we engage with the Kenya Forest Service. They were here, they've been here, and they are supporting us in ensuring that we have enough seedlings for our this particular activity. So we encourage you to collaborate with other people to ensure that we succeed in this particular exercise. And as we do this, we also encourage you to engage local partners, because we know that land in schools may not be adequate for this particular exercise. Nyambaria is very big land, and we say we congratulate you for this. If you don't have adequate land, like Kupet Secretary was saying, and sure, but I think he has adequate land. If we can plant 2,000 trees, he has adequate land. Let us ensure that we plant fruit trees. for all the learners. Let us engage local people, the stakeholders, and other people to supply us with seedlings to facilitate this particular exercise. Now, as we move on, we will be requesting heads of institutions at the end of this week to give us reports on the tree planting exercise so that we know how many have been planted in your institution. We will be covering that. We'll ask you to coordinate with our CSOs and then subcontractors and county team. Then we will have a regional team also compiling. All these activities will build up on Sunday to the World Teachers' Day, where teachers will be awarded. We have several teachers who we have nominated for awards, and one of them is our Chief Principal, Mr. Onyari Charles, because of having provided this. And we say the Teacher Service Commission is our head. So we propose that we have added a certificate at the national level on Sunday. So we want to thank you very much, and we believe that this exercise will help you and help the institution. Much as you are sacrificing, because you are planting fruit trees, we also believe that you will be getting something out of it economically to help sustain the school, so that the school does not feel that we are overburdening them with whatever exercise we are having today. This exercise, I said it's part of the Big Four agenda. And a number of people have spoken of trees. Fruit trees will enable us to have food security in institutions. There are families in this country that only survive on a meal a day. Let us ensure that we plant these trees so that in the next 3-4 years, our country will be food secure. At the moment, if you ask most of the people as we discuss, we have enough food for our country, as opposed to what we were having previously. So if teachers, opinion leaders, pastors, and all the other people come in, we will be able to do well. Number 2, trees will provide shade. Shade for us. Economically, we can sell them. And there are so many other benefits. So as we launch this particular exercise, we believe that if we participate in this exercise, we'll all succeed in making our country a great country. Let us all ensure that this country becomes a great country. I also want to use this opportunity to thank members of the Fourth Estate who also came, who witnessed, and who also conveyed to the world what the great county of Nyamira is doing when it comes to tree planting. You can see all of us are here, led by the Deputy County Commissioner, and all the other guests. Mr. Ira is here, and all our principals. And we want to ensure that we all do what? Succeed as Nyamira County. Then after this, after we have cleared this, I think we'll be given direction on how to plant. But after the planting exercise, we have a match between Nyambaria boys and Eronge Adventist. Where is Eronge Adventist? And Nyambaria boys? Where is Nyambaria? Behind. Thank you. We want to watch that match, and we hope that it will bring us together as a country. Otherwise, let me stop there and thank everybody who attended, and wish you all the best as you cascade this to your institutions to ensure that we succeed. Plant a tree in school, plant a tree at home. Don't just plant in school. Otherwise, asanteni sana, Mungu awabariki. Now I want to use this opportunity to invite the chief guest. As I invite the chief guest, naomba mpe makofi ya kilo. Sijasikia makofi ya kilo hapa. Msimame kidogo. Haya. Makofi moja. Karibu, madam.
That this is a very important day for teachers in this country. I've seen very many of you interpret it like a national planting day, but as a union, we know that these are build-up activities towards our major day on Sunday, on 5th, which is a World Teachers' Day, honored by UNESCO and ILO. So for that reason, as a union and on behalf of teachers, I want to thank the Teacher Service Commission for having realized, at least for the first time, that this day must be honored. I'm saying, Director, for the first time, I have served this union for the last 24 years. I have attended 24 World Teachers' Day in the head office and elsewhere, and I have not seen clearly the Teacher Service Commissioner coming out very clear on this. And that's why I want to take my first point to thank my Director, Teacher Service Commissioner Nyamira, and elsewhere, that thank you for making it an honor to make it a build-up activity, because on Sunday, many of us, like myself, are representing teachers in Kasarani, where the CEO of Teacher Service Commission will be a guest of honor. Sini vizuri. Thank you, Director, and we hope that we move like this. I want to say that on the 5th, there will be a World Teachers' Day, as I've said, honored by UNESCO, and a number of activities have been aligned. And thank you for starting it from 29th, 30th until that day. I want to say that as teachers, Director, we are committed to our services, including management of time. Even before you had come, many of us were asking ourselves, hey, Director tells us to manage time very seriously. And it's getting a bit late, but we are happy that you have come in time, and you've gotten us seated, and we are happy about this. I want to assure you that as we head to third term, as we head to our examinations, in a few weeks, the teachers are fully prepared. Our boys and girls are fully prepared. And we are praying that this devil that's running all over, ipite iende mahali mbali. Siende shule ingine, iende kwa mtoni kufe hapo hii, ingine natembea temba mashule kuharibu mashule. And we want to assure you that our schools are very peaceful and we are moving on well. But because I've always seen a few things happening during exams and it's our major event after the 5th, after the Teachers' Day, I want to ask you that in our management of exams has always been very good. So occasionally when you hear some rumor about ICC that there is a karuma in some school, please stop sending 16 Land Rovers. Send about 3. 3 can be enough to do it. Stop sending 11 Land Rovers, because if you send 3, they'll still give you a report. Because these 16 Land Rovers really give everybody panic, including ourselves, our boys and our girls. So after 5th as a National World Teachers' Day, we are targeting our candidates. We want every candidate to get what he deserves. So we also want serious cooperation, serious guidance, serious planning on these days that we are starting from next week. And that's what we are actually asking, nothing much. Director, I have seen my senior principal standing here. I had only about 3 chief principals. I know promotions have started. Director, give us another 3 chief principals. Let us not go for interview again, we come out empty-handed. Give us about 3. Like my chair, Kesha, says that it's 60 years. It's not 60 years, he has a few months like this. Because with the 60, he could not be sitting with us here. Why don't you honor him with a chief principal, hiyo miezi 3 aende naye nyumbani? Because that will also give him a reward, because he has also worked for long. By the way, Director, you may not know, these are the founders of Mwalimu National Circle from Kisii and Nyamira. Sasa mimi sijui interview inaleta maswali gani. Ikileta hii ya miti, acha hata iulize akina Wira wametoka wapi. Na wao wasonge kidogo. These are the people who brought Mwalimu National Circle in Nyamira. Then I also became as a delegate later, and I followed him. From the delegate, I became an executive secretary, which I'm serving very comfortably, and the teachers have not chased me for very many years. I want to stop there and thank the Teacher Service Commission that these build-up activities are very good. But as a person, please let us plant trees. In fact, me, I don't have land at my home. I only have 2 trees there, some tea and some blue gums. Last year, I harvested about 1,000 with the permission of the ministry, and I have planted 2,100. Hata mahali ya kukanya kwangu napita kwa miti katikati na naenda nyumbani. I want to borrow one thing from the forest that let us grant our age. Boys and girls who are here, who undergrant your age, but the fruit could be better than anything else. Thank you and God bless you. My